Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 7. Okay, I hope you have watched all the videos of this series. So please guys, if you haven't watched it, so you watch them. Okay, so it is part 7. So let's get started. The first word is allow. Allow is a verb. To allow something to happen means to let it happen. Having a ticket will allow you to enter the show. Second word is announce. It is a verb. To announce something is to make it known. He announced to everyone has new idea for the company. The third word is beside. Beside is a preposition. When someone or something is beside you, they are next to you. The two brothers stood beside each other. Challenge. It is a noun. A challenge is something difficult to complete. It was a challenge to climb to the top of the mountain. Claim. Claim is a verb. To claim means to say that something is true. He claimed to know why the country's laws were weak. Condition. It is a noun. The condition of someone or something is state that they are in. The patient condition was very good. Contribute. It's a verb. To contribute to something means to do something to make it successful. We decided to contribute money to the new hospital. Difference. Difference is a noun. A difference is a way that something is not like other things. The biggest difference between the birds is the color of their feathers. Divide. Divide is a verb. To divide something is to make it into smaller parts. We divided the pizza. Expert. Expert is a noun. An expert is someone who is very good at doing something. The wizard was an expert at magic. Next word is famous. If someone or something is famous, they are known to many people. The Elfi okay, the Eiffel Tower in Paris is very famous. Force. It is a noun. Force is to a person's strength or power. He used all his force to try and open the door. Harm. Harm is a noun. Harm is hurt or problems caused to someone or something. A hot iron can cause great harm if you are not careful. Lay. To lay means to put or place in a horizontal or flat position. Don't lay your socks on the floor. Peace. It is a noun. Peace is a time without war. A white dove is a symbol for peace. Prince. It is a noun. A prince is the son of a king. The prince and the princess were married. Protect. It is a verb. To protect someone is to stop them from getting hurt. Firemen protect us from fires. Sense. It is a verb. To sense something is to know about it without being told. I could sense that he was watching me. Sudden. He sudden is it is an adjective. When something is sudden, it happens very quickly. He felt a sudden pain in his chest. Therefore, it is an adverb. Therefore means for this reason. He is fat, therefore he will go on a diet. Diet, okay? So guys, let's jump into the story. So story title is The Best Prince. King Minos was very sick. His condition was getting worse. He had 3 sons. He loved them all. He had to announce who would become king. Two of the princes stood waiting outside the king's room. Theseus was the oldest and strongest. He thought his father would make him king. It's I think palace. Peli, Pelias. Pelias, okay, if I'm mispronouncing the name of the person, so sorry, okay? Pelias, the second son, thought differently. He was an expert with weapons. He thought king would choose him. When I am king, Theseus, Theseus told Pel, Pelias, Pelias, I will let you contribute to the defense of our country. You can lead the army. Pelias become angry, became angry. Father knows I am famous for my sword skills. He will make me king. You? Theseus yelled, he won't choose you. The kingdom is mine. Pelias claimed, Father will give it to me, or I will use the kingdom is mine. Pelias claimed, Father will give it to me, or I will use force to take it. Theseus made a sudden move to take out his sword. Then Pelias did the same. Beating me will be a challenge, Theseus said. Fight me now. The winner gets the kingdom. Pelias agreed. King, Ma- King Manus King Manus could hear his sons fighting. The youngest son, Jason, Jason stood beside him. He sensed his father's sadness. The king laid his hand flat on the Jason's arm. Your brothers fight too much. The king told him, I must protect my kingdom from all harm. They will divide it between them. The people won't know what to do. There will be war. I can't allow either of them to be king. Therefore, I am making you king. Your kindness has always made you special. It's a difference between you and your brothers. You can bring peace, they can't. Then the king died. Theseus and Pelias heard that their youngest brother was king. They were surprised. They realized that their fighting was wrong. It had kept them from saying goodbye to their father. They agreed to have Jason as their king. He was the best choice. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked this video. So if you liked, so please like it. Okay, so guys, I'm again asking to you that do you want me to reading comprehension and fill in the blanks, not of fill in the blanks, like exercises. You will have to choose the word. Each, like a part has, each series has, like you can see, check the one that suits the blank naturally. So guys, please, I will recommend you, suggest you that you do them, okay, and read this and listen to my voice. I know I'm not like pronouncing some words correctly, but I'm helping you guys, okay, but I'm trying my best to learn each and every word pronunciation correctly, so that I could share with you guys, so you will learn good pronunciation from my video. Okay, so that's it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it, okay, and don't forget to active bell icon. It is compulsory, okay. If you don't do that, you will not get notification. If you do that, you will get notification each video, okay. I hope you got it, guys, and keep learning, be happy, keep growing. Okay, never give up, hang in there, and take care of yourself. See you in other video. Bye.